Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. Today topic is thermistor, and you know physics is everywhere in our surrounding, and the thermistor is one of the example. You know, in air conditioner the thermistor is used, and if I talk about fire alarm also uses thermistor, and in physics practical lab we perform this experiment how fire alarm work on the basis of thermistor. Now watch an animation. Here thermistor is used in fire alarm. If we heat this fire alarm, then that thermistor will convert the change in temperature into voltage, and that voltage will run the fire alarm, and we will hear the clear sound of fire alarm. Now we will discuss second application. In second application, it is connected with fan and it controls the speed of fan. If there is a more temperature in room, like here we heat the thermistor, this thermistor same like before, it convert the temperature difference into voltage, and that voltage will run the fan. Students, it has many applications, and it is used in control system. This control system we will learn in 18th chapter, and in relay system this is also discussed in 18th chapter, and in air conditioner and in many devices it is used. So students, first of all we will discuss the definition of thermistor. What is thermistor? Thermistor basically is a device which is heat sensitive. What is meant by heat sensitive? Heat sensitive mean whenever there is change in temperature, there will be change in resistance. With the change in resistance or with the change in temperature, there will be change in resistance, which is meant by heat sensitive resistor. So we see its definition. It is heat sensitive resistor, which means resistance changes with the change of temperature. Now we will discuss its types. Here we will discuss its two types. One is NTC and second is PTC. NTC for negative temperature coefficient and PTC for positive temperature coefficient. The NTC for negative temperature coefficient, and the mostly thermistor are negative temperature coefficient, or you can say that the mostly thermistor have negative temperature coefficient, which means that whenever there is increase in temperature, then resistance will decrease. They have inverse relation. Now we will discuss PTC, positive temperature coefficient. Positive temperature coefficient mean there is a direct relation between resistance and temperature. Whenever there is increase in temperature, then there will be increase in resistance. By increasing temperature, the resistance will also increase. There is direct relation in PTC thermistor, but in NTC thermistor there is inverse relation of temperature and resistance. Now we will see its manufacturing, how it can be manufactured or prepared from the semiconductor ceramics, and semiconductor ceramics are made of mixture of metal oxide of manganese, cobalt, copper, nickel and iron. We heated it under high pressure and we pressed into desired shape, which means we can made it in our desired shape, like bead, washer, rod. The first desired shape is bead. Bead means it is like small grain, like it is front is very small and it has two terminal. And the second is washer. Washer meaning it is like disc, and disc has two terminal like this I show here. And the third type is rod. Rod mean it is like this marker, rod shape, and it has two terminals. And now we will see its symbol. Now you are watching the symbol of thermistor. Now we will discuss its uses. The first use is it is used to measure very low temperature. The very low temperature is up to 10 Kelvin. 10 Kelvin mean if we convert it into degrees Celsius, then it becomes minus 263 degrees Celsius, which is very low temperature. And mostly negative temperature of coefficient thermistor are used to measure low temperature. Negative temperature of coefficient thermistor mean whenever there is increase in temperature, then there will be decrease in resistance. Now we will here discuss how it can measure low temperature. Students, you know physics is about why and how. So we will discuss how it can measure the very low resistance. This portion, this discussion is not mentioned in our book, but I explain you for your concept and for your general knowledge. Here this is a thermistor which is connected with the battery and ohm meter. The purpose of ohm meter is used to measure resistance, and battery will provide it current. So if we heat the thermistor, the temperature of thermistor increases. By increasing temperature, the resistance will decrease. That decreasing resistance will measured by ohm meter. This ohm meter will give us the reading of resistance. Let it is 5400, and we have a table. In this table, I already mentioned the different values which is calculated by a formula. That formula is not given in our book. Suppose if the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the resistance will be 2400. This value is calculated experimentally, and if the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, then the resistance will be 4300. And similar, if temperature increases, then the resistance becomes 3500. These are calculated by a formula. Now check here, if the resistance is for 5400 given by this ohm meter, then see if 5400, then temperature is 20 degree, and if suppose the resistance measured by ohm meter is 3500 ohm, then see here 3500 ohm is corresponding to 30 degrees Celsius, which means if the resistance is decreasing, then temperature is increasing. Both have inverse relation. These are the values which are experimentally and calculated by equation or formula. So in this way we can measure the low temperature by measuring the resistance. If we know about the resistance, then which is on that particular value of resistance, there will be value of temperature, and we know that 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature will decrease 5% of resistance. This is general formula, and according to this formula we have calculated different values which I told you. Now we will discuss its application. Application means where it is applied in our daily life. So its first application is it is used as temperature sensor. The thermistor is used as temperature sensor. Temperature sensor basically is a device which means that it converts temperature difference into voltage. For example, I am giving a temperature to this thermistor, then this thermistor will convert temperature difference into voltage. That voltage will drive current. I give you a link of application in description. By clicking on that link, you can watch the application of thermistor in detail. Students, this is our today lecture. See you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.